What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today it's gonna be a challenge kind of day between me and baby girl. So I'm gonna let her tell y'all the challenge.
So we're gonna do 3 challenges in one. The first challenge is who catches the first fish. The second challenge will be who catches the biggest fish. And then the third challenge will be who catches the most fish.
So the person that actually knows how to fish.
Anyways.
Yeah. All right, so what's the bet?
The bet will be whoever wins 2 out of 3 of those gets to pick what we eat tonight. And hold on, we gotta make it juicy. Give me some. Get the winner guys give the other one a full body massage. I'm gonna win.
All right, so there y'all have it. We're doing a 3-part challenge with the first fish, the biggest fish, and
the most
fish. So we're gonna get straight into fishing. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well for any future videos we have planned. And we're gonna get straight into the video. You're gonna ask me what color I use, and you're gonna try to use my bag. First of all, you know what? I'm gonna go with soft plastic first. But you know I gotta bring my actual killer pole. It's caught me multiple monsters. And you didn't bring your own goddamn bag. What does that say about you? I'm gonna start right here. Don't get tangled up. Said don't get tangled up. No, I'm talking about with these trees right here. Lord Jesus. And you threw right on top of the trees. I don't think you're gonna win this challenge. It's a little shallow right there. Oh, did you get scared? First fish. Ah, he bit it out. Ah, are you serious? Bro, are you serious? I'm not even putting this. Ah, come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. I can't let this rookie beat me. I got him. There it go. There it go. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. I do believe that is the first fish. I do believe. Yeah. We're gonna let this little fella go, and we're gonna get back to fishing. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna come over here with you so I can get it. I ain't gonna go back without you because I don't want you to say I cheated you. So, but I do believe that's the first fish. Good cast. You got the same worm I got?
I don't know. I got a blue and black sparkly one.
All right, so reel it slower. There you go. Well, I'm gonna miss her. Well, go over there then. 1-0. 2-0. Back.
I'm gonna do another net video because I don't know if you're gonna like that one.
Why?
I mean, it's not bad. I just want two so you can pick one. Yeah, do what I told you. Yeah, hold it like that all the way into the water.
Goodbye, buddy. All right, so that's two. That's 2 fish to 0. I just backlashed the heck out of my goddamn. You gotta go let me do what? I mean, you kind of don't have a choice but to let me beat you, because I'm gonna beat you regardless. Is bring that top water out here and get a top water explosion. Work it slow. It feels so good to win. But I'm coming by you. Did I go over you? Honey, if I bring Paisley out here and she catches one, you see them fighting up? They jumping up over there. My camera was off. But anyway, this is what, 3? Number 3? It's a nice little tank, buddy. Thank you. You got the same bait I got. It's the holder. Did you get him? It's a good day outside for hooking. The fire is so good looking. What number is that? When there's no place to go. You saw that one? No, I'm sorry, you saw the one jumping out there? Yeah, one just jumped out there. It's a nice view. Yay, yay, yay. All right, big fella.
What am I doing wrong? Can you teach me?
Huh? I told you.
I'm determined.
I told you what to do.
I'm listening. It's going slow.
You reeling? That's the hand you reeling with? Okay, so
yeah,
you.
That's what DJ told
Alright.
me. He said reel with my left hand if I'm right-handed. Oh, you right-handed, you reel with left hand.
Okay, I catch more fish than DJ. But anyway,
Well, you ain't correct me.
because I ain't never heard him tell you that.
Right.
So, but when you hooking, you like when you feel them bite, you.
So
Yeah, you want like you swinging a baseball bat backwards.
alright.
Get in there now. See, that's why I ain't throw over here. She got stuck. I'm just gonna break this line. I don't feel like fighting with it. There you go. I told you were gonna get you one.
I got me one.
All right, yeah, you gotta. I got you. Yeah, he bleeding. He bleeding bad. We gotta get him in the water. Oh, you hooked him deep too. Good job. He ate the worm, but that's why I said I'm gonna keep this thing. I'm gonna keep this other phone recording just for that. Hold up, let me go to it so I can show the channel what you done did. Hold up. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. No, I can't see it. But I can't see it from the phone.
There you go.
I'm gonna put It's gonna be right here, and it's gonna show y'all that amazing hook set. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go with my that all white Yamamoto. Ooh, look at that beauty. Released it. You had one?
And let it go.
I don't know. You probably was caught on one of them bushes out there. There it go. There it go. Don't tell me he let it go. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, nope, he still got it in his mouth. Still got it. Still got it. There you go. There you go. Ain't a big one, but ain't a big one. But it'll do. Add to the count. Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah, taste all that water in your mouth. You didn't. Bro, where's my worm? You just didn't want my worm? You wanted my hook? Ooh. Little feisty little fella. Got him. Oh, you're running with it too. You can watch him. It's a little small fella. Oh, yeah, it's a little old small fella. It's a little small fella. Hello. Calm down. I'm gonna get you off. Lee. All right, I'm gonna get you back in there. I got bigger fish to fry. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. There you go. There you go. I got you. Hold up. Don't break your line. There you go. Get him in here. That's two. Okay.
2 to 6.
So, hold up. Let me go and put my pole in this water. So yeah, after a while, we'll probably end up doing I would say after this video, we'll probably do a giveaway. We got some nice stuff that we didn't acquire over the few weeks so if you're into fishing, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell to get ready for this nice sweet gear to go out. Also, we're gonna be throwing out shortly some Open Ridge merch that we're gonna start pushing out, some good t-shirts and hats, and ultimately we're gonna start pushing this merch out. It's supposed to go out during the winter when hunting season was in, but he just take it right in front of me. Bro, he swam to the bank and took it. Like all the way up, and I watched him put it in his mouth. Like 7-3. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, we're gonna get this merch put out, and we're gonna get this ball going. Also, me, one of my best friends, and my cousin, we're starting up a new brand, Bait Bros, you know, for all our tackle guys and gals. We're gonna get the ball rolling. Just a little fish nugget. Might have to move around. Oh, dang. Okay then, just come up and take it.
8 to 3.
That's the second time they just came up to the bank and took it while I'm talking. Interrupted me. Rude.
8 to 3.
8 to 3.
Is my worm on there right?
Yeah. 8 to 3. 8 to 3. Stop moving.
8 to 3.
Whew. All right, let's get them back in there. All right, yeah, guys, that concludes our video. What's the score?
8 to 3.
All right, 8 to 3. So, of course, I remain the champ. So, if anybody else wants to challenge me, any pond you choose, any lake you choose, we can go hit at any time. But besides that, like I said earlier, y'all make sure y'all look out for the merch that we're gonna be putting out for Open Ridge. Appreciate the support. All our sponsors, everybody that sends us stuff to do reviews on, we appreciate all y'all. Y'all hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. Appreciate the support.
So since you won, what we eating tonight?
I'm gonna go with Zaxby's because I love Zaxby's.
Alright.
And I'm also getting ready for this massage. Make me do my dance. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like, that subscribe button. And peace out.